Are you looking for that happy medium town? Maybe the country feel, but not too country, close enough to the city that if you want a night out, it's not too far away. If so, Melissa might be the town for you. Hi, my name is Dana Pollard and I'm a real estate agent in Texas, and my team helps you to narrow down where to live in this vast state and help you find your dream home. So if you're looking to buy a home, then fill out my dream home questionnaire in the link below. If you're looking to sell a home and you live in Texas, fill out my Sell My Home questionnaire in the link below to get the exclusive benefits of working with my team. So let's talk about Melissa, Texas. Melissa is about 45 minutes north of Dallas, maybe an hour when you consider traffic. And I like Melissa because it has this hometown vibe, and it's great for raising a family. The median age for Melissa is 30 years old, which makes communities like Liberty a perfect place for families. The schools, they're top notch, in the top 5% again, and they're not overcrowded. Melissa is booming with all kinds of new construction. In fact, Melissa has grown 243% since 2010. So take a look at all the opportunity. So whether you want a small farm to grow your own produce, maybe with horses, or the new home with a community pool to meet neighbors, Melissa has your pick. The median home price in Melissa, Texas is $380,000, with listings going anywhere from $250,000 on up to $1.2 million for a small ranch. Listen, about half of the homes on the market in Melissa, Texas are brand new homes. I like that. These new homes range from $380,000 to $700,000, so it's perfect for raising a young family. And all these new communities, they have pools and parks and trails to enjoy. So what's there for shopping and dining in the small town of Melissa? Well, while it does have a CVS, a Dollar General, and a Dairy Queen for quick conveniences, you will find most of your entertainment and grocery stores about 15 minutes away in McKinney. There you're gonna have a movie theater, your pick of restaurants, you have Target, because we all need a Target, and a Kroger. Kroger is one of our grocery stores. Now Melissa does have a Buc-ee's. Now what is a Buc-ee's, you say? If you have not heard about Buc-ee's, I call it the gas station mall of Texas. It was originated in Texas, and Texans go wahoo over Buc-ee's because they have fresh beef jerky. They are known to have the cleanest bathrooms in the entire nation. So this is not a video about Buc-ee's, but if you are coming to visit town, you have to find and visit a Buc-ee's. And one other thing I love is there are no 18-wheelers allowed at Buc-ee's. Melissa also has a beautiful library, a park, and some community events to get to know others around town. Are you looking to move up in Texas? Well, you may be saying, Dana, what's the next step? Well, hey, let's meet on Zoom. Whether it's a $200,000 home or a $20 million home, the next step is to fill out the appropriate questionnaire at danapollardgroup.com. When you fill out the Dream Home Questionnaire, you will paint a picture for me and my team of what you want, both in a home as well as a community. Or if you have a house to sell in Texas, fill out the Sell My House questionnaire so you can learn about the exclusive benefits of listing with me. And after you share your favorite snack and push the submit button, an email will be sent to schedule your consultation call with one of my top amazing real estate experts. And you can also meet me on my Texas Tuesday Zoom call and ask me anything you like about moving up in Texas. This is a live call and attendance is limited, so go right now to danapollardgroup.com to get started.